Hey everybody, Eran here. I'm doing a quick tutorial on exactly how to upload a video to YouTube. So I've created a video. I'm using a recording right now. I'm using Use Loom. And incidentally, the tutorial I'm actually uploading is called Use Loom. That's the tutorial on how to actually use it. So all you do is, use a link here. If you click this one, you'll see it will actually give you options, upload video or go live. You just click upload video. It will take you to that page I just showed you a second ago. And you simply drag and drop the one you want to put there. Now, while it is loading, okay, and it could take a while depending on the size of the video, there's a few things I'm going to show you around here, okay? First of all, this is the name. So use Loom tutorial Chrome, okay? Now, I'm going to do this thing right here. Now, there's a reason why I do that, okay? For SEO purposes, search engine optimizations, allegedly that is better, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. Now, I'm going to find another little thing that I'm going to put there. Let's see. Usually you want to get some sort of an emoji, basically, and that's just good to get attention, okay? It kind of separates it. That's what's good about it. Okay, let's pick this one. That works. There you go. Perfect. Okay, good. So then here, this particular tutorial is really non-confidential or anything. It's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to upload it straight to my YouTube channel. So you can have it, share it on Google+, which I don't know if it even exists anymore, but anyway, it's still there. Twitter, so I'll tick it. You can add a message to your video. It's got to be pretty short because it's got to be a size of Twitter. Okay? So I'll just say, sneak peek into one of the many training videos that I am creating for my course, for my online entrepreneurship. Oops. Coaching course. There you go. One. See, I don't have enough space. One of many. There you go. There you go. Now, here you can add to playlist. Now, this one, I've got a playlist for tutorials. So I'm going to click tutorial. You'll see I have other things. I've got testimonials that I received, vlogs that I do, my soccer videos, unlisted videos. This is where I save the ones that I don't share publicly, but part of my training. So you see here, this means that it's public, this little earth. This means it's closed. Okay, so it's not accessible. And there you go. Okay, so this will go to tutorials. Yep, that's that. Now, let me show you what other features there are. So here you can select the thumbnail. It's going to take a little bit to load sometimes, okay? And then also, you could do a custom thumbnail, okay? So I can actually, let's just say I want to get something specifically. Let's just say I want to get a picture. Images. Okay, so I want to get, okay, so here we go. I can get this picture and I want to use that, for example. Then I can do that. Okay, so let's just test this. Save image as. Use Loom. I'll save it here. Good. Now let's open it, just so I can show you. There we go. Now I can actually change things around. So I can click this and I could say, tutorial by Eran Bucai. Let's just say, right here. I can also change the font, change the size, change the color, whatever I want to do, really. I can make it bigger. can make it sideways. Change the color if I want to change the color. Do it yellow. What do you think? No, it's not very good. There you go. Keep it pink. Maybe red. Okay, there you go. Good enough. There's other things you could do. I could put a shape. I could put a star. You know, if I want to. Doesn't really matter, really. Okay. In this case, I don't know if I even want it, but anyway. I'll just delete it. You get the idea. You can play around with that. Okay. Now, I'm going to save it. It's going to be right here. Now, let's go back to the YouTube video that I just created. Custom thumbnail. There is a chance it might be, the picture might be too small, so you won't let it load, but let's just see. There you go. It worked. Perfect. Now, let me show you some tricks, okay? So, first of all, you can actually have advanced settings, okay? So you can allow comments, not allow comments. You can put it to what it is, education, how to. This is a how-to, for example, right? You can select a language. You know, there's different things. If you want to allow embedding, not allow embedding. In this case, I definitely want to allow embedding. I don't usually touch this particularly, to be honest, but you know, you can learn about this and just play around and so on. Now, there's always here a description of me or whatever, okay? And I always have this as a template, but it's always automatically. Eran is an online entrepreneur. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Visit my website, blah, blah, blah. And so they can find me as well, okay? In this case, I will say this tutorial is included as part of Eran's course, Online Entrepreneurship Coaching course, video course. If you want to know more about it, email me, contact@eranbucai.com. So that's that. Okay, there's this function here, Premiere. Make it a moment, build a hype, and so on. I don't want to schedule a Premiere. You know, I can click it, and then you can schedule it, and so on. You can learn more about it. You can click here and learn more about what it means. Okay, so there you go. That kind of gives you an idea. This is tags, so it's easily found. So I want to add tags. Use Loom. Okay. Now let me show you a little trick. Okay. So we're going to find a very popular YouTube video on Loom. Okay. So let's go to YouTube. This is an SEO trick as well. Okay. Let's see. Use Loom. There you go. Now, this, for example, this guy has 138,000 viewers. This one has 92,000 viewers. Okay, this is huge amounts. Now, what you do is you're actually going to click to this video, and you can only do this on Chrome. You can't do this on Safari or anything else.
I'm going to walk you through this super simple way.
This is amazing. This guy has literally a 2-minute video, and it's 138,000 viewers. Now, amazing. I don't know how he did it. He's a genius. He doesn't even have that many subscribers, so he must have some great way to do this. Okay, now, what you do is you're actually going to right-click here and click View Page Source. It will take you to this garbage page, which you're not going to understand any of it, and neither do I, but I'll show you what you do with it, okay? You click Command F or Control Find, and you search the word keyword, okay? Once, and then do it again. Now, it will show you the keywords that this will have, okay? So, the keywords that it uses are Chrome extension, open test, open vid, screen recording, video recorder, Chrome extension. Okay, that's the keywords he's using for his video, which is, it is what it is. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to delete all of that. I'm just going to use what he used. Just copy and paste exactly what it is. Why do I want to do that? Because when you're watching a YouTube video, you will see on the side autoplay or up next or recommended for you. Let me see if there's any recommended for you. See? Recommended for you. Now, because I'm using the same keywords, then the algorithm will think that basically it's related, okay? Now, the name that he has is, let's just see, Loom, how to use Loom video recorder. So I'm going to actually use exactly the same thing. Except I'm going to have the word tutorial. And that's it, okay? So now, if somebody's searching or sees his video, it will potentially recommend further. How much that really works, and someone, look, I haven't had a viral video, and there is a guy that I actually learned this from, so I'll leave additional links on where I got this information from, and you could check it out. He's got much more training. He's a YouTube SEO genius. He's got like 200,000 subscribers, great videos, great quality, much better than mine. But yeah, that's just a bit of sharing. Last features here, you could do public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. You can actually schedule it to the future. At this point, I'm not scheduling it. I'm just going to issue it publicly, okay? And that's how it's going to go. This is going to be the page. And it's already processing, is already done, so it's ready to go. And that's pretty much covers it. So let's click publish. And you should see, there you go. It's ready to publish. I can take this and open a new tab on Chrome, paste it, and it should play just fine. Sometimes it would say processing. So there you go. That's, in this case, it's already uploaded, so that's fine. Doing a quick tutorial on a tool that you will want to use potentially. There you go. Hope you learned something from this. You can also embed. Okay, so you click this. It should take you to an embed page. This, you can embed this onto a website, or you can email it. Okay, you can directly email it. So if I want to email it to myself, contact at eranbucai.com, let's just say, and you can do an optional message. Okay, you will send the email automatically from here. You can now add more videos to upload, and you can also go to the YouTube studio to see all the videos that you've done and edit different things and so on. Let me just show you inside of that quickly as well. So in case you want to change the keywords, you want to change the wording, you want to do something along these lines, you can always, it will always take you to your back office. You can always open it as well, okay? Oh, there you go. Here it is. Now, if you want to test it and watch it, you click this one, View on YouTube. Here, you can have different options. So, edit the title and description, get the shareable link, download it, or delete it. Here, you can change it on the visibility. Here, it will tell you how many views, comments, likes or dislikes. You can also select, and based on the select, you have different options. You can change different things around here. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. You can select bulk, basically. And if you want to change anything, all you do is you click this, and it will take you to a page to actually edit different things about it. You can change the name, the visibility. You can change the thumbnail if you want. Okay? Whatever you want to do, you can kind of play around with it and so on. So hope that helps. Hope that gives you a bit of an idea on how to do uploading to YouTube and a bit of an SEO tricks and so on. And that's a very important skill to have because it's a great traffic source, great place to deliver content, get attention, get your name known, and so on. Hope it helps. See you in the next video.